WeBoost Drive Reach RV Cell Phone Signal Booster Kit boosts 4G LTE and 5G for all U.S. carriers Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile and more. Mate in the U.S. reaches the farthest cell towers and boosts signal from multiple devices. Power 50 watts compatible with all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and cellular supports the latest in 5G technology, providing the best speed and service possible on any smartphone. FCC approved with 50 decibels max gain. WeBoost provides expert US-based customer support through our app, chat,